All right, well, if you listen, it's the cicada hatch here in East Tennessee. So we are, of course, going to see what we can do on the cicada fly for big old carp. It's supposed to be a lot of fun. It's supposed to be a hot time to do it right now. So we don't have a boat, but we got 2 kayaks. So we got our gear, we got cicadas, we got some kayaks, and we're gonna see what can happen. There's a lot of like downed trees like in the water and stuff over there.
Where did you guys head to go?
Any of these points. I mean, they're just all over the place. So why don't we go to this other point over here?
Okay.
Let's try it over there. See what happens. There's one in the water there. Screeching. Oh, I had a short strike. I had a strike.
Why'd you miss it?
I don't know. Yes! Oh boy! Oh boy! Woo! Woo! Yeah, I am. Woo! Oh! Oh, I'm stuck in a tree. There he goes. Take me back out. Come on, boats. Oh my goodness. Stop. Whew. Come on, man. Kayak keeps moving. in a tree. There we go. Okay. Woo. Huh? I landed, I got him. He's in the net. No, I got him. He's in the net. Whoo, boy. That was a wild ride. Whew. Oh my goodness. Yes. Look at him. Woohoo. Carp on a fly. Off you go. Yeah. Oh. Snapped off again. You're catching some big ones. You gotta adjust that drag or something. Hey, come and get a picture of this one for me. I gotta get you stuff anyway. You may as well start coming to me because I'm gonna be a while. He's taking me for a ride. Come on, go back out to sea. That was easier. Oh my goodness, he's taking me under this tree again. Go out there, go out there. Go, go, go. Turn, 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 turn. Yeah, go. There we go. Yeah. I haven't even seen him yet.
This time it was just because you were yelling, and I look back and I see a carp catching or doing it, and my line is loose. So it got tangled up on the front thing.
Oh. I think he's bigger than my last one. But I haven't seen him yet. He's gotta be toast, right? Where is he? Gosh, he is just staying down. I'm pushing now. Pushing off. I'm pushing off. Watch out. Oh, gosh. There he is. I saw the silhouette a little bit that time. Huh? Because I have it's the reel. The reel's got that, like, I think I dropped this one too at some point in time, and it has that bend, so sometimes it gets stuck. Gosh, still fighting this boy.
I think we should switch rods, and then you can tie on whatever X you want.
And I just don't want those, when I reel in that, when I reel in the mono, I just don't want it, I don't want it to get stuck on one of the eyelets and lose them too. So I just pull it back out. Whew. She difficult on a kayak, but she fun.
Hey, you got a skid on your pants.
Good golly, it is just staying down there. That last one I got to the surface at least. This guy.
Oh, I see him.
You see him? Is he big?
I mean, I see it in colors. He's got the purple. Oh yeah, that's a big one. That's a big one.
That is? Okay, well that explains why it's still down there. This is one of those like kayaks with a paddle or a foot pedal.
Yeah.
Holy cow, we're about to go to the other side. This is wild. This is a 7-minute fight right now.
Yeah, that'd be nice to not break off.
Yeah, I'm not trying to break off. He has got me doubled over. It's about time we put this 7-weight to the, I think it's a 7-weight.
They said 8-weight.
8-weight, even better. It's actually probably good. Come on, man, you gotta come up. don't even see him yet. How long is my leaders must be longer than I thought. There he is. Oh yeah, that's a good one. I see him now. There he is. He's on the surface now. Come on, help me get. You gotta get that net. Oh come on, net boy. Oh, wait, you're coming right for me. Well, yeah, come on. He's done. Come on, get him. Oh, gosh. No. Mine's not big enough. Get him in there, nut.
I can. It's gonna tip over.
Okay, maybe mine will just have to be big enough. Oh, it's not big enough.
That's definitely big enough, Dad.
Oh, that's not big enough.
If it fits in the net, then it's big enough.
Oh, holy moly, that's a good fish right there. All right, now let's. I think somehow I still got him. Maybe. He might be in that stuff. Oh. I might have lost it. He's in some stuff over here. I think I'm stuck on something. I think I lost him. He ran right underneath all this cover. I think he either tangled me up or the hook came out. It's got one.
That's not gonna help.
What? I'm trying to shoo him out. You can still feel him still tugging. Yeah, you got it. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Good. Yeah. Oh, it was. Yep. I saw it was wrapped around that tree. I thought maybe